So to put them back, the best way is to just put 2 screws anywhere. Don't need to tighten them up, just 2, and then don't worry about the sounds. And normal, because the tire is not fitted well. I'll show you after fitting it well how the sound is. And one more thing, don't tighten up just one screw, because otherwise what happens, they are not in the center. So always tighten them all together one by one slowly. I'll show you how to do that. See? Okay, now make a very light hand. See? Okay. So they all are a gap and a space to settle or to do the movement if there's any needed. Okay, now it's done. Now look. See, couldn't hear any sound, and that's what we wanted. And let's start tightening up. Okay, done from here. Next is to remove tools first, and then remove these spotters. See, the one which we used to save us is all good. The safety first, and now the real one, the one who was working. Come on. Slowly, don't give it a pressure. Once it's down on the floor, then you can do it. And getting old and rugged. Perfect. Done. Now is to losing it up. Okay, so put it through. Use this bar, and okay, the car is moving as well. As you can see, because the handbrakes are not on. Okay, easy. Going. Okay, easy. Okay, we'll put the handbrakes on and check it again. No risks, because I drive a lot. Ooh. Where are you going? No need to tie them up a lot. It's just good ones. Okay. I guess it's fine now. We'll see this front one as well. I don't think this is making sound.